KBYP with a oh crap shorts video on the HP 8660. I finished the A4A7 unit. It was a nightmare to recap. I'm in the center section here, and what to my wondering eye did appear but this horrific sight? See the number 10 potentiometer, that's Q11 collector, which is anywhere from minus 35 volts to 0, about 5/1000ths of an inch away from the metal can on that capacitor, and the negative side of that can is at minus 40 volts. That's a filter for the minus 40 power supply. I don't think I could get a 5/1000th inch feeler gauge between the can on that collector and the can of the capacitor. Fortunately, the capacitor is covered in a plastic shrink, but that's no guarantee with that very small contact area and a potential difference that there hasn't been leakage current through there.